It's gone.
Okay, just
I will go.
what's that? Where's
Okay.
mine? Where's mine?
I just wake up. Good morning. I'm back. Today I'm gonna be teaching this. And today I'm gonna teach this girl.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay. Where are we going, good boy?
I will teach you how to build a house.
Okay, teach me how to build a house, good
First, teleport to the gear shop.
boy. Okay, teleport.
And here, come here.
Okay.
Talk to this guy.
Okay. What do I say?
Click and buy that thing.
Oh,
I think we can make it
why?
because we have to buy this thing. This we need that to build a roof.
So where is that thing? In my.
It's done now.
Oh, so it also change just like the gear shop?
Yes, in our
No. So right now it's none.
yes,
So we cannot.
yes, it's done.
Okay, just in your garden, can you tell me what's new there? Oh, you have a very rich neighbor.
No,
Oh, what's this one? Is this a grapes?
yes,
Big grapes, beautiful grapes. Wow, what's this? What's that light there in the grapes? What's this one?
I don't have a pet bee. I only have a bear bee to make it
Wow, you have a
illuminated.
lot of fruits.
Yes,
Really notice. How about this one? What is this?
cacao.
Oh, oh,
Let's check the seed.
why is that so big?
What?
Yes. What's this thing?
Mango.
Oh,
It grows so big.
what's new in the stocks?
Yes.
You go to the beer shop. I'll go to the street. In stock. Nothing great here. What is this crab doing? That way,
I think so. I think he steal your money.
I walk out. I don't know if that's my crab or not. How will I know?
That's mine.
Oh, that's yours. I walk out.
Yes.
Ah, yeah, it's for yours. Went to your house.
I think it steals to that guy.
Probably, don't know.
I think he steal it to you.
What? I'm here at the beer
Trat.
shop.
It's only trash. That's only basic.
What else?
That's it. Even that one.
Okay. I want to craft.
Okay, what do you want to craft?
Let's try. What's this? What do you call this?
I don't.
Increases growth speed and size bonus for coconut dragon fruit. Oh, I like it. I have coconut here.
The banana
Oh,
sprinkler.
I need a dragon
The banana.
tropical.
Let's share. Let's share.
Here, what?
You give me the coconut one and I give you one dragon fruit.
Oh, sure.
Let's
Wait,
go.
wait. What is
Okay.
this?
I will give you, okay?
I need to go back to the beach. Coconut. Wait a minute. I'll get back and get the coconut. I already baked it.
Okay. What are you doing? Are you good?
Oh, I'm stuck.
Are you good?
Oh,
Uh,
okay. Time first.
oh, I think I only have one dragon fruit. Okay, let's go.
Wait a minute. I'll get the coconut first.
Hey, use harvest tool.
Okay.
Let's go. Give me first.
Where are you?
Here.
Well, hello.
Okay. I will go.
Where's
Okay.
mine? Where's mine? Did you cheat on me just now?
Okay, I will give it to you.
Wait, I'll go there.
Wait, you have a dragon fruit.
Yeah, but I'm not getting it now.
Get it? Use
Where are you?
here. You have so many.
Yeah, I know.
I
I'm
only
not
have.
getting it for now.
I
It's not it was mutated.
I only have one.
You only have one dragon fruit?
Yes, left.
Oh, okay. I'll get me dragon fruit.
So let's go.
Good food. Such a good food.
Where what sprinkler is that? Is banana? Banana. Is this the sprinkler?
Where? Yeah, that's a tropical mist sprinkler.
Okay. Let's go.
Guys, what's happening here?
Mm,
That was
this. In one mango. Let's get one mango. Hey, we need the one mango.
I don't have a mango.
Oh.
I want to eat, so I don't have mango. Okay, and you will need that.
Three.
Get the dragon fruit. My favorite one. Oh, this is not a dragon fruit. This is a mushroom.
Yes, that's a mushroom. You didn't see that brown? You use your harvest tool and click that brown thing to get it. Use the harvest tool. No, you can't do that because if you accidentally get the mushroom. Or,
Where's the dragon fruit?
okay.
Where's it?
My dog dropped
Where's the dragon fruit?
that brown thing. My dog dug a coconut seed. Yes. Oh no, I
It's
don't.
already up here. So why not collect it? Oh, what I got?
Yes. Yes, you got it.
I didn't get that. It is it. Yeah. Oh, it's celestial type. This is. Oh, it's celestial. This is probably. I'll check out it because all of my celestial stuff are very.
That's gonna be so trash.
No, I'm telling you, it will be.
Just look it.
I'll ask.
Look at that. That is gonna be trash.
It's 580. See? 580,000.
That's not even that much, right?
Where are we?
Or don't have mango left. It also have the mango is still not fully grown.
Oh no, so we cannot.
Yes, yes.
See, it's 2,000 if it's not 50. So we cannot right now. Gonna wrap that thing.
Yes.
With the seeds.
Let's trash only bamboo, the best plant.
It-
Hey, look at this. Oh no.
I'll sell celestial thing.
Okay.
No,
Yes, you can buy. Okay, that only costs so small. Yes. That's gonna be so small.
65,000.
I will
Oh,
check.
it's already.
My raccoon still a plant.
Hi, check out the newest. If there are good. Check out the newest shop. Oh, good one. Check the stock.
Oh, the stock is basic sprinklers again. That's good.
Are you going?
What kind of
Are you going
voice
to
is
your
that?
talk?
Yes,
Tell me what.
that's trash. Only the best is the. Wait, you can buy the common egg summer. Yellow egg.
Oh,
Did you put the rare egg in your garden? Okay, let's go check if the mangoes are grown. It's the night weather.
oh, I have rainbow seeds.
Alright. Oh, this is gonna be so long to grow. Right. This is gonna be so long. Special delivery today. Hey, why did you still have these blueberries? Blueberry is now trash. Right? And tomato. Why? Why is your garden is so messy? Right? Okay. Do you see your garden? Why is your garden messy? Look, so in this place is so messy. Yes, but why is messy?
Hey, why did you inspect the house?
Yes, I see his value.
I know.
His value is 19 million.
Yeah, I saw that.
Let's check this.
Why are you inspecting my thing?
Oh,
Inspect yours.
that's so trash. Look at that. I only have so small. I already have so full bed.
You will give me new fruits for my cat.
No, it's not fully grown.
Your food.
Yes,
I did like.
I,
No,
I. Ano?
can we dance here? Goodbye.
I have my
Oh,
house.
it's moonlit.
Yes, it's moonlit now. Let's go to my house and check my house inside.
Okay.
I will check it. Okay. The the stuff is so trash.
Hello.
How about the gear shop? Hey. Bye.
Change your house. Change your house, right? Why did you change it?
Because I want to make the size big. Okay, I will come inside of her. Look, I will cook. Okay? Here.
Okay, I'll just wait
Okay,
here.
the food is ready already. Here we go. Okay, come here. Come, look. This is our food.
What?
Hey, I will wash my hands. And toothbrush.
Who's this thing at the back? Who are you?
This is our...
My crab stole from you.
Yes. Don't worry. We only look like... Look at this. Come here next.
What this
I
thing?
will see my work. My garden. Joey. I will go sleep.
Hello, Lord.
Wait,
Oh, that's harvest.
where?
Harvest.
Where?
Wow, why is your crab blowing?
Where? Big?
Are you
accidentally grabbed it and
Give it to me.
I forgot to favorite tool. I don't favorite tool it.
Oh no. Then give it to me.
Oh. Oh. Okay. I gave you.
Give it to mommy. Yay! I'll have a huge grapes. Wow! Thank you, good
See?
boy.
Okay, I will give you.
What is that thing? It's just 3 kilos. I want the big one.
Okay, here. You want this?
Oh no! You also gave another one. I want to sleep now. Good night.
Okay. What do you want to pick?
The big one. I want that one. Give me that one. Love you. Thank you. Vicky said
Wait.
goodbye. This big
Splint
grapes.
or steel?
What? What?
Splint or steel?
I don't have time for that. I really want to
Okay.
sleep. Oh.
They will give you, okay? I already give you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
I give you
wanna
it.
sleep now.
I give you it.
Where?
In your back.
It's not it here.
Look, you see in your hands.
Where?
That's what you're holding.
Uy! Ooh! I'm sorry.
That you're holding already.
Now here.
Okay. Let's go.
Yay! You received my best gift today. Thank you.
Just look at the prize.
Thank you. The garden has restocked.
Hey, we can buy beanstalk.
Really?
Yes.
What you make? Stock? Wala, it's not. What about in the beer shop?
I will check.
I wanna sleep now.
Okay, let's see. Oh, godly sprinkler.
Oh, what the hell is that?
We can buy godly sprinkler. Sprinkler.
What the hell?
Let's here. Oh, it's fresh. We can buy a floor.
Now?
Come here in the bio. Eat that thing. Okay, you buy it already, okay? Don't put in your garden yet, okay?
Okay, sure. I'll just put my watermelon.
Okay.
And I wanna sleep now. I really won't tired.
I'm not tired yet.
You need to sleep. You have class tomorrow.
Oh, I want Mimic Octopus.
Tell Jurujin. Good night.
I like this
I'm
garden. Hey,
Bye-bye.
bye. Like and subscribe.